Well, hello. Thank y'all for tuning back in. Today I want to show you how to fillet a turkey. It's getting close to the holidays, and the main thing is a lot of people don't have room in the refrigerators to keep the turkey. So once you get them thawed out, we're going to show you how to go ahead and fillet them. You find his chest bone right there. And you see, there's not much left. You can do a little trimming off of it if you want to. Some people go ahead and put this in the oven. Some people will cook it and get the broth off of it, and like that. But the same rule, what we're going to do, we're going to put these in Ziploc bags, and it's going to save a bunch of room in your refrigerator. Instead of having that big old turkey sticking out in the refrigerator, we got plenty of room, and we'll be back to cook that in a few minutes. Okay, we're ready to stick it in the oven. We're going to add a little bit of water to it. And then we're going to put some salt, help it cook really good. And we're going to cook it. Montreal steak seasoning salt. And boy, that's going to be something good. And after we cook it, after we put it in the oven, take it out and let it rest for about 45 minutes or an hour. And then we're going to cut it up and put it in the refrigerator until tomorrow. Okay, we just took it out the oven. It's been in there for an hour and a half. Look how nice and pretty and brown it is. Now we're going to cover it up for probably about 45 minutes, let it cool off, and then we're going to come back and carve it, and then it'll go back in the oven tomorrow. Okay, there we go. We got it cut up. Now we let it cool off a little bit more, and we'll stick it in the refrigerator until tomorrow. Take it out the refrigerator and let it get to room temperature. Add chicken broth on top of it. Then let it cook 1 hour at 350, and it's done. Okay, it's time to dig in now. Oh boy, it's gonna be so good. It's nice and moist. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have, please subscribe and let us know, how you feel about it. And until next time, we'll see you on Billy Bob's Gonna Cooking. Gobble gobble.